having the opportunity to design something that impacts our community in such a positive way is very empowering.
I just love seeing the amount of people in here.
What is community? That's the question that I've spent my entire life yearning for. The community that I've built with Ethos is irreplaceable.
We are in a time of incredible change. You are the ones that are shaping this future. And our mandate is empowering youth to transform their communities and shift the culture of innovation. Ethos Lab is a creative innovation hub for teens. AI adoption doesn't just require technical infrastructure. It requires cultural infrastructure. And Ethos Lab sits at that intersection. And what we do here at Ethos Lab is provide young people with the mentorship and culturally affirming environment where they are able to access the future.
The day started at 9 a.m. at the Microsoft office in downtown Vancouver.
We've worked with Microsoft over a number of years. One thing has stayed true through this relationship. The heart of it has always been co-creation. We've partnered on a number of different exciting initiatives, from the original hackathon that we had done online to the development of project-based learning initiatives like Solution Studio and exposing them to careers in STEAM at Microsoft Vancouver.
Our partnership with Ethos Lab is always evolving to meet the moment. This year, we've been excited to collaborate on an initiative that's designed to equip young adults with the skills, tools, and mentorship they need to thrive in an AI-powered economy.
I saw that there was a need to not just have our facilitators deliver innovative skills to young people, but also for themselves to be able to build their AI mindset. These are young adults between the ages of 18 to 30, and PJ is one of them.
So I'd say the Ethos Lab's Bridge program is really a chance for kids like myself, in the word itself, bridge themselves into the real world and be in connection with people like Microsoft. When I heard that, we're gonna be able to learn more about AI and be able to actually use it hands-on with a mentor, I was really excited to be able to, jump into a domain like that, because I think to be able to do it in a space where it's not only supervised, but it's also encouraged is a really cool thing. We are able to start off with just learning about prompt engineering. And again, for me, I come from a background of international relations, poli-sci. So this was all new for me, but I think Carl really made it simple and easy for me to understand. This is maybe where the two can bridge together.
I've been working at Microsoft for almost 15 years now, and that's what I like working at Microsoft. You have lots of opportunities, and all the product we build, they are for everyone. From my perspective, and helping the community here is also to feel part of it and bring something that I've got lucky to work many years at Microsoft to learn, so to transmit to others, so they can have the same opportunity in the future to do the same and use the best technology to what they need to do.
This is really important for me as an Ethos Lab facilitator, because when we get into those spaces where we have to, teach, kids in high school and elementary about AI and the fluency around and literacy around it, relationships like mine and Carl, where I'm able to, get the firsthand experience from someone that's, AI is their everyday job, is what helps me be able to feel comfortable and confident when I enter those rooms with, the youth that are expecting me to know what I'm talking about.
How many of you, it's your first Black-a-thon? We are inviting over 100 young people from across the region to leverage generative AI tools to reimagine a vision of Hogan's Alley.
As you're going over the Georgia Viaducts, you're actually going over where Hogan's Alley was. We've actually signed an agreement with the city of Vancouver to develop one of the blocks that'll be freed up when they remove those viaducts. This is an opportunity for you to be envisioning and designing what that will look, feel, and sound like.
About a month or two ago, we did a little bit of practice with this kind of material before. So it was really fun seeing it on a bigger scale with more people, bringing people together and putting our heads together on one project. I feel like that's really important.
The theme of this year's Black-a-thon is community and belonging. Ubuntu means I am because we are. And as a collective, we will build a community where everyone belongs.
The Ethos Lab Black-a-thon is grounded on African philosophies. We leverage the value of Ubuntu to highlight the interconnectedness between our creations and ourselves. We have a 4,000 square foot innovation hub, a place where young people could come, explore, create, and have access to mentors, tools, resources, and a supportive community and culturally affirming learning environment.
This is my first time hearing about Hogan's Alley, so it was very interesting to hear about how it was. We even had a keynote speaker come up who has actually been there, and it's actually amazing to know that these weird things actually happen around us.
Mentorship for Microsoft developers has been central to almost all our collaborations over the years, and the Black-a-thon is no different. It's amazing to see the dozens of volunteers across our products and disciplines who've come together to guide these youth teams in leveraging AI through each step of Ethos Lab's Ubuntu Innovation Framework. It's a deep and meaningful opportunity for our employees to apply their expertise as innovators in service of Microsoft's mission, centering people in innovation and ensuring that AI serves everyone.
Copilot is a big part of the technical fabric of our school systems and communities. With our partnership with Microsoft, we have co-created a pathway to support these young adults in building their AI fluency and skills.